How's it going, everyone? This is Ben from Dan's Camera. Today I want to talk to you guys about this really exciting 3-part mini-series that we're going to be touching on. This is going to be wonderful for anyone that's maybe a natural light shooter, does portraits, maybe you're just starting out, or just looking to take your photography for portraiture to the next level. Now, we all know there's better tools, maybe something different to help improve it outside of your technique. We're going to be touching on a few of those tools. The important thing is they're going to be simple, they're going to be easy to use, and they're going to be affordable. So this is our ProMaster 5-in-1 reflector. This is our silver side. Now this is a really great side to use for a subject, and you'll probably notice it's hitting me just about in the face. This is going to be really great for subjects that maybe have a hat on with a shadow under that brim. Bring that light back up into their eyes. We call that a catch light. That's a really great thing to go for. If you've seen good portraiture, you've probably seen this. The other nice thing is it's going to help bring light under your subject's chin. And obviously, you can have your model hold it for you, so you don't need another person, keeping things light and simple. So next we have the gold side. Really similar to what the silver side is going to do, except for one key difference. Because it's going to throw gold light onto your subject, you can simulate a couple different things. First of all being, maybe you want to make it look like you shot this around sunset, but it wasn't that time of day, or it's very dreary out and you want to bring that sunny niceness glow back to your subject. Or maybe they're feeling a little pale. Maybe you're doing prom pictures for your family. This will be a really great way to simulate that healthy sun-kissed glow for your subject without having to do anything really complicated. And even if you hold it off to the side for someone, it can still hit them and give a really great result. So next off we have the white side, which is opposite from the gold. Unlike the gold or silver side, the white is going to give a less harsh fill light to your subject, which is really great for a variety of situations that you don't need a dramatic fill light to your subject, just a soft glow to really help bring it up. So next off, we're going to make the room a little bit darker by killing one of our studio lights. This is going to make light a little bit harsher on one side of my face. Now, another side that this actually has, this is the middle of our reflector series. This is translucent. This is going to help us soften that light. Now, I know I'm a little bit darker, but you'll notice there's no major harsh shadows on my face. Think of this as very useful for when you want to shoot in midday sun. Hold it over your subject, or maybe shoot a flash through it to help really soften that, and it also keeps your subjects more comfortable without them squinting through that harsh light. So lastly, the unsung hero side of a reflector is the black side. It's not going to let any light through. We've seen different ways to point light and shape it, but this is going to be a really way to cut some existing light. This is going to help give maybe more of a dramatic look to your subject. More contrast is going to come in and help cut and shape that light that's already there and make it work for you. So if you've never tried one of these before, of course, as you know by now, definitely come into the Allentown location. We have that mobile studio right in the front of the store. You can try one of these out for yourself. Feel free to even grab a staff member if you want to use them for a model, or even yet, bring a friend. See what these can do for you in the moment with your camera. Thanks a lot, everybody. Of course, if you have any questions, leave a comment in the link below, or feel free to give us a call.